What's going on, YouTube? I got a call from work and my schedule was just cleared out for the remainder of today and tomorrow and possibly Friday as well. So I am packing up. I intended to be here until Friday, but today is Wednesday? Yes, today is Wednesday. So, 2 days off. It looks like I'm going to be working on my boat. But I'm going to flip. So I'll pretty much keep a bag packed at all times that is good enough for a week, right? And then when I go out on the road and I use the clothes, I put in my dirty clothes under my work clothes. I replace them as needed, but I pretty much keep a week's worth of clothes in this little carry-on bag. I need to be ready to hit the road whenever I need to. In this job, I've had as short as the morning the day before when I had to go to Guam. I regularly have to go like, hey, you're going somewhere tomorrow. You got to be there tomorrow morning. Or, hey, you're working this job in Sacramento on Tuesday morning, but in Wednesday night you're working in San Jose, and then Thursday night you're working in Rockland, and then Friday morning you drive home. And it's just like the schedule is constantly varying, so I pretty much keep a bag packed so that I don't have to repack and I forget stuff all the time, right? So I just throw in some true classic tees of various colors. Real simple, they're comfortable, I love the way they fit. And then just something comfortable, always a pair of gym shorts, because when I'm in the hotel room, I'm chilling. When I'm in here, it's my safe space, my safe haven. I'll show you this ring that my company got me, right? So, nice little desk area. I've been doing some work. So much activities in here. Sorry if I made anyone dizzy. Yeah, and then my work bag, that just keeps all my work stuff, all my chargers, my work laptop, my personal laptop, and then I keep this little bag, and I have my PS4, some controllers in there, and all the wires needed. And that way I can game on the road. The Wi-Fi is typically not very good at hotels. I have discovered that when you're using a PS4, a lot of times it doesn't connect automatically. You have to call their service, and I can say Hilton has been the best to work with so far. IHG was really good working with them, but their internet is poor. It is poor. Even if you pay for their extra one, or if you're I think it's gold or silver member plus, you get that for free. But Hilton is a little bit better, not great. I still use my phone from my work phone hotspot to game, and it's doable, but it's not really enjoyable. I can't do any ranked gameplay. I play mainly Apex. Shout out to Apex Legends, anybody trying to play. I play mainly on my PS5 at home, but I got into PC gaming recently. I've discovered that I end up plugging a controller in because I suck. My movement is horrible, but my shot is decent. I'm good with a sniper on PC. It's really fun with a sniper on PC. Until they're close, and then I'm screwed. I have no movement. But anyways, back to the subject. Keep a small bag packed. How I pack it up. Do this. All the way to the top, one down. And I throw my boots in here. It's one less thing to carry. And I'll throw my little overnight tote that I got for dental hygiene, facial hair care. I'll throw that right on top. And I just throw my backpack like this over everything, and it holds it all down. I do this a lot, so I come up with little tricks. I'm that guy that's gonna take one trip when I bring in the groceries, and I'm gonna be having bags all the way down my arm. I'm gonna have bruises and be red, but I'm gonna get it in one trip, and I'm gonna get that hatch down. All right, and locked. But yeah, that's just me. I don't know. There's probably something wrong, but I've accepted it. Anyways, yeah, it's good news. I get to go home early, get to work on my boat. I get to sleep in the same bed as my wife tonight. Always good. Way better than sleeping in hotel beds. I'm not a fan of down pillows. They are bad for my neck. I'm gonna start bringing my own pillow, I think. Is that a little bougie? A little too bougie? Walk into a hotel with my own pillow like, yours are not good enough. You cannot support this head. Nah, probably not. I'm doing it. I walk around the airport with those little neck pillows. Be dozing off in chairs. It's like, all right. Well, I'll make another video soon. It's good talking to you guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.